Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, the latest foldable phone from Samsung that was released in August 2023. So today we will talk about the features and price of the phone. So before starting the video, the buying link is given in the description and you can buy this phone right now. Alright, so let's get started now. The first thing you will notice about the Z Fold 5 is how thin and light it is compared to the previous models. It weighs only 271 grams and measures 6.2 mm when unfolded, which makes it easier to hold and use. The hinge is also smoother and more durable, and it can stay open at any angle you want. The Z Fold 5 has two screens, a 6.2-inch cover screen on the front and a 7.6-inch main screen. Both screens have a 120Hz refresh rate, which means everything looks smooth and fluid. The cover screen is great for checking notifications, making calls, or using one-handed apps. The main screen is where the magic happens. You can enjoy a tablet-like experience with multitasking, gaming, watching videos, or browsing the web. The main screen also has an under-display camera that blends in with pixels, so you don't see a notch or a hole punch cut out. The camera quality is decent but not as good as 10 megapixel selfie camera on the cover screen on the 12 megapixel triple rear camera setup. The rear cameras can take sharp and vibrant photos and videos in any lighting condition. So they support optical zoom, ultra wide angle and night mode. The Z Fold 5 is powered by Snapdragon 888 Plus processor, which is one of the fastest and most efficient chip on the market. It also has 12 GB of RAM and 256 or 512 GB of internal storage. The performance is flawless whether you are switching between apps, playing demanding games, or editing videos. The battery life is also impressive thanks to 4400 mAh battery that supports fast charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. One of the best features of the Z Fold 5 is the continuity between the screen. You can seamlessly switch from cover screen to the main screen without losing your place or data. You can also use 3 apps at once on the main screen with split screen mode or pop-up view. Samsung has also improved the compatibility of the app with foldable display, so you can enjoy more apps in full screen mode or adapt to different orientations. Z Fold also comes with some extras such as the S Pen Fold Edition, which is a stylus that works only with the main screen and lets you write, draw and take notes. The phone also supports Samsung DeX, which lets you connect your phone to the monitor or a TV and use it as a desktop computer. And of course, you get all the benefits of Samsung One UI software such as Bixby, Samsung Pay, Samsung Health and much more. So is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold worth buying? I think it depends on what you are looking for in the phone. If you want a phone that can transform into tablet and offer you a versatile and immersive experience, then yes, it's definitely worth it. But if you are happy with the conventional smartphone that does everything well but doesn't wow you with innovation, then you might want to save some money and look elsewhere. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. See you in the next video. Bye bye.